Okay, so below here, you see Back to Work revised outline. So what we're going to focus on here is CQA. You're going to be revising the work that you did yesterday in class. CQA stands for Context, Quote, and Analysis. This should sound a little bit familiar from what we did with embedding quotes in the past. Context, quotations, and analysis are the building blocks of a body paragraph. So often, you'll have one set of some context for the reader, then a quote to support your idea, followed by some of your analysis, and you'll see that repetition once to 3 times in a body paragraph, depending on the complexity of the point. So I'm going to walk you through that, or you will be walking through that once at least for each body paragraph, and then you can choose to do it 2 or 3 times. That's your choice. So you must do it once for each body paragraph, where you're going to write the topic of your body paragraph, rewrite your topic sentence. Then you have to ask yourself, what's your first idea? What's your first specific? How are you going to illustrate a subpoint of this body paragraph? What context or summary does the reader need to understand it? What quote are you using? And then what analysis are you going to provide to explain how your quote proves the body paragraph topic? So this, just like a topic sentence, should clearly convey your body paragraph topic. And I just realized that in your packet this says CAA, so you can change that to a Q. My fault. Finally, after you go through those 2 steps, using the embedding quotes document to help you combine the analysis and the quote. So what you have here is analysis, and what you have here is a floating quote. Now you need to embed or weave together, marry, put in one sentence, the analysis with the quote, where you have to introduce your quote with analysis. So then this you can just plop right in your paragraph. When you go to write this bad boy, you can just copy and paste what you've already done here. Now you're going to do that for your second paragraph and your third paragraph, at least once. Now, as a writer, I know that I might have more than one repetition of CQA throughout the paper. So you might, if this is helpful for you, you might want to do it again with your other ideas. So for tomorrow and Friday, you'll be going to the Writing Center because this paper, as Ms. Brooks has said, is due on Sunday at midnight. You can only use a computer, though, if Ms. Brooks approves what you've done, because I want to make sure you're really trying to work with embedding, so then you're not going to sit down at a computer without that legwork done first. So if she gives you the okay, then you can go to the Writing Center on Thursday and Friday and work on this. And then again, you'll have all of class to work on it, and you should get it done, but don't rush it. I want these to be thoughtful and representative of your best work. One more quick thing. If you want to use the following as your intro, you can. It just is a stock introduction, like a really easy introduction where you preview your points or you put your 3 body paragraph topics in there. And then in here you would write your thesis. So you can choose to write your own, or you can do that 5-paragraph essay total where I'm evaluating your 3 body paragraphs for your topic sentences, your embedded quotations, and the thesis for the paper, and I'll give you feedback on that. So happy writing. Again, I hope you're thinking hard and enjoying it to the best that you can, and I miss you. Be good.